Hello students, good morning. Today we discuss about the sequence. This is the first step of the arithmetic progression and geometric progression. What is sequence? Sequence is a number. Here we are taken A1, A2, A3 up to AN nth term, which is formed according to some definite rules is called sequence. Means suppose we have to take any number, suppose that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. So in this case, this 1 and 3, that's plus 2. This 3 to 5, that is plus 2. 5 to 7, that is plus 2. 7 to 9, that is plus 2. Means there is a plus 2, plus 2, plus 2 is always in every step is increasing as well as a decreasing also. Now the another point of the sequence is series. When all these sequence terms are add or sum up, that is called a series. And that series we can say if A1, A1, A2, A3 up to AN are the number of terms and terms, then the summation A1 plus A2 plus A3 up to AN is called series. And this is the basics of the sequence. And this sequence is represented by this curly brackets AN. And now some problems based on this sequence to find the first 4 terms or 5 terms we have to solve one by one. The example 1 is the first 4 terms of the sequence 2n plus 3. Here we suppose that given n is equal to 2n plus 3. I want this first 4 terms. First 4 terms means A1 is 2 into 1 plus 3, and therefore this is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So A1 is equal to 5, A2 2n plus 3, n is equal to 2, so is 7, A3 2n plus 3, so A3 is also equal to 9, and A4 is represented as 2n plus 3, AN is equal to A4 is equal to 11. Now A5, so n is equal to 5, so we can write A5 is equal to 13. So the required 4 terms, or we can say we have taken the 5 terms here. So in the forms this A1 is equal to 5, A2 is equal to 7, A3 is equal to 9 and A4 is equal to 11. Or the requirement of this only 4 terms. So we have to also find out the 5th term. So the required values is we have to say the required 4 terms is 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13. And this is our required answer. N is equal to 2n minus 3 upon 6. So now here I have taken A1. So we can A1 is equal to, we can write here 2 into 1 minus 3 upon 6, that is 2 minus 3 upon 6 is minus 1 by 6. Here A2 is equal to 2 into 2 minus 3 upon 6. That is 4 minus 3 upon 6 is 1 by 6. So this is A2, 2 into 2, 4 minus 3 upon 6 is 4 minus 3 upon 6 is equal to 1 by 6. The value of A3 is equal to, and here given that this is the sequence, and with the help of this sequence I find the values of number of terms. So here 3 into 2 minus 3 upon 6 is equal to 6 minus 3 is equal to 3 by 6. And this 3 by 6 we can also write 1 by 2. And A4 that is n is equal to 4. So 2 into 4, 8 minus 3 is equal to 8 minus 3 upon 6 is equal to 5 by 6. And A5 is equal to 2 into 5 minus 3 upon 6 is equal to 10 minus 3 upon 6 is equal to 7 by 6. So this is A5. 2 into 5 minus 3 is 10 minus 3 upon 6 is equal to 7 by 6. And these are your 5 terms. And these 5 terms we can write here. This is A1 is 1 by 6. This A2 is 1 by 6. This A3 is 3 by 6. And this A4 is 5 by 6. And A5 is 7 by 6. And therefore the 5 terms are minus 1 by 6, 1 by 6, 3 by 6, 5 by 6, and 7 by 6. And this is your required 5 terms. Here the given sequence 3n plus 4, find the A7 terms. Here A7 we have to find out that 3 into 7 plus 4 is equal to 21 plus 4 is 25. So A7 is equal to 25. Here given A1 is equal to 3 and the given nth term is equal to 3an minus 1 plus 2. 1 is given to 3. So now if I write A2 and n is greater than 1, it's given, that's the condition. So 3 into 2 minus 1 plus 2 is A1 plus 2 and A1 is 3, so that is equal to 3 into 3 plus 2 is 11. Again A3 is equal to 3 A3 minus 1 plus 2 and that is equal to 3 into A2 plus 2. Then 11 plus 2 is equal to 35. So A3 is equal to 35. Now we have to take in 4 terms, that is equal to A4. This my sequence is here AN 3AN minus 1 plus 2 and therefore we can write here A4 is equal to 3A4 minus 1 plus 2 is 3A cube plus 2 and this A cube is equal to 35. So 105 plus 2, that is equal to 107. And after that, this A5 is equal to 3A, 5 minus 1, plus 2, 3A4 plus 2, 4 is equal to 107. So 323.